Social media has evolved from a simple communication platform into a potent tool for connecting, engaging, and thriving for businesses, people, and organizations in today's hyper-connected world. Modern marketing techniques now depend heavily on social media management to help organizations establish a strong online presence, cultivate deep connections, and stimulate growth. The significance of social media management and important tactics for success are explored in this essay. The significance of social media management. Social media platforms have developed into online stores that give companies unmatched chances to engage with their target demographic and build brand loyalty. The goal of effective social media management is to maximize a brand's presence across numerous platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others. It entails creating engaging content, tracking engagement, examining data, and modifying methods to fit the always changing digital landscape. Key strategies for successful social media management. Curation and information creation. Creating interesting and pertinent information is at the core of social media management. Content should be consistent with the brand's voice and appeal to the audience's tastes, whether it takes the shape of eye-catching pictures, educational articles, or amusing videos. The stream is kept active and entertaining by a combination of original and curated information. Platform choice. Not every platform is made equal. Each has distinct demographics and characteristics. Finding the social media platforms where the target audience is most engaged and developing content to fit the quirks of each platform are essential for effective social media management. Regular publishing is necessary to keep your audience interested. Regular publishing schedules encourage brand dependability and help followers develop anticipation. Scheduling and automating posts can be facilitated by social media management software. Social media is a two-way street in terms of interaction and engagement. A brand's dedication to its audience is demonstrated by how quickly it responds to comments, messages, and mentions. Engagement is further increased by promoting conversations and user-generated material. Data analysis and adaptation. Managing social media is a dynamic activity that calls for ongoing observation and modification. Key performance indicators, such engagement rates, click-through rates, and follower growth, can be analyzed to help brands improve their strategy and results over time. Collaboration with influencers. A brand's credibility and reach can be increased by working with influencers. Gaining access to influencers with followers that share the brand's beliefs helps increase brand visibility. Paid advertising. Social media networks include sophisticated ad alternatives that enable marketers to precisely target particular groups. Creating effective ad campaigns that result in conversions is a key component of adept social media management. Trend adaptation. New trends, features, and algorithms are continually being added to the digital landscape. Social media managers must stay up to date on these changes and modify their plans as necessary to take advantage of new opportunities. Conclusion. Social media management has become a crucial component of contemporary corporate and personal branding in a time when social media dominates communication. Businesses can use the power of these platforms to create lasting relationships, foster brand loyalty, and experience exceptional growth if they have the correct strategy in place. The art of managing social media involves telling interesting stories, engaging with authenticity, and deftly navigating the constantly evolving digital landscape. Thank you for watching this video. See you next segment.